In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to see your Snapchat password. Whether you're managing your Snapchat account or accessing it on a new device, knowing your password is crucial for maintaining control and security. Forgetting it can lock you out, causing frustration and the hassle of resetting it. The easiest way to see your Snapchat password is by simply heading to your Passwords application on your iPhone. In the search bar, search for Snapchat. You want to head to your account and simply tap on Password to see it. You can also tap here to copy your password to clipboard. For those using Android or don't have the Passwords application, if you head to your Snapchat settings and select onto the option of password, you want to enter your email address you used while opening up the account. Then tap right here on Show to see your account password. Well, that's how easy it is to see your Snapchat password. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.